All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Can you hear me? Audio check. Good morning, Adam, Brad, good morning, James, how are you? Jeff, how are you? Good morning, Jose, good morning, KK Fun, Panos, good morning. How are you, Pat? Happy Friday, everybody. GED, good morning, SNK, good morning. We're 2 minutes away from the cash market open. Let's get this show on the road. Quickly, we're gonna go over. Wow, on Bitcoin, I mean, look at that Bitcoin, just another leg of that rotation. This thing is just moving, and we're seeing a lot of price action that's tradable. I mean, we moved away from the very sluggish price action to really, a lot of good signals coming out of Bitcoin. I mean, right here, a railroad long that got us from 25,000 to 26.8. So we're seeing a lot of good stuff going on here. Uh, Quickly on NASDAQ, I mean, that's one heck of a massive upward move, and we're trading at the top end of that range. It's going to be a two-sided market where we could see pullbacks that's significant and rallies that are significant. You're looking at a 921 half as a target. Gold, continuation of that massive rally, and we're hitting the high end of that range. Basically running over everything in that rotation. ES, a lot weaker than NQ. I mean, an absolutely a huge divergence between what you're seeing in ES versus what you're seeing in NQ. Crude oil, I mean, we're consolidating, had a captain set up failure with a premium switch trade into the lows of 66, ran up to 69, and we're consolidating around Globex, which is 68.47. You should expect a little bit of consolidation here. I'm looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity, but if we break anything above 70, that will change the picture. Rally back up after a sell-off and triple witching today, by the way. So that's going to be it's going to lead to a little bit of spastic price action. So just kind of be conscious of that. If we close 1764.6, we're going to see a bit of selling pressure coming through. NQ, you have the 200 NT Rinko short. The 100 NT Rinko is an up candle, so there's a disconnect between the 200 and the 100. The market is testing harmony zone number 1 with a captain setup, and we are looking for, I mean, we're smack right in the middle of the range right now. So we need to see a little bit more price action before we kind of commit to any direction. I don't want to go long against the 200 NT Rinko, and I don't want to go short in the middle of the range. So that puts me in a position where and we have news coming up at the top of the hour, by the way. Okay, so that's preliminary consumer sentiment at the top of the hour. All right, so let's stay patient and wait and watch this market. We wanna see a little bit more out of this price action before we commit to it. Pat, let me see her. Gary, good morning, Gary. How are you? I mean, if we break anything under 699, that will set the stage up for a bit of a, yeah, that's not happening. Okay, so let me put some orders in here just to make sure that the order system is working fine. Okay, looks good. Canceling orders. Harmony zone number 2, we hit that harmony zone and we're looking to see how well they're going to handle this structure here. Good morning, Sheila. How are you? Okay. We're back to Globex right here. Here we go. So now we need to start looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity. 24. Yeah. it's not working here. Let's see. Yeah, it's not working. That's my stop. You're basically rolling over the 100 NT Rinko again. So I'll take a stop right here. If they close this candle lower, I'll add to it one more. Here we go. And then stop is the stop, and let's see. Yep. Thank you. I mean, we had the 200 and the 100 in sync. Just is not. You're getting more buying interest up here. So the 200 and the 100 are in sync now on the long side, and let's see how well they handle the pullbacks. You have a pullback into harmony zone number 1 at 33, 33.23, then harmony zone number 2, 08.98. 34, yeah, you don't want to see 34 actually. All right. Okay, so harmony zone number 1 is not handling very well here. Let's see harmony zone number 2. And, you know, ultimately, if we go into 683, that would be a complete reversal. And that would be a 200 NT Rinko captain setup short and I will get aggressive short in that area on a rally. So we're seeing go merry the merry-go-around here. '83. All right, so let's see what they're gonna do here. 26. They'll have a captain set up long on the 50 NT Rinko. You'll have a captain set up long at 22.75 on the 40 NT Rinko. So we're in a spot here where they can put some formations to the upside. 34. Okay. We're back in the middle of the range. So a couple of things got to happen. Either we go in 681. That'd be captain set up short on the 200 NT Rinko, and that would be significant. That'd be a significant event. Or we break 34, and I'll look for pullbacks as a buying opportunity. Then I'm looking for 45 and then a breakout. So one of those two things got to happen. Yeah, good morning, Safe. Good morning, Omer. Yeah. Frequency higher here. Mm-hmm. All right, let's see. Let's see. I mean, we're just gonna wait for those two events to happen. Either you break the 34 or you break the 81, and we're right smack. I mean, they're gonna put a captain set up short right here, so that's gonna lead to a flush. Well, that's the expectation here. Let's see. Okay, that's a trap right there. Captain set up long on the 50 NT Renko, by the way, at that 720. 734. Okay. So let's see if we can get to the 34 and pull back. All right. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Almost there. 34 half. We gotta get to 34 half. We're not there yet. We touched it, did not close above it. And they could not close it. That's an important event. So ES, if we break below 39.70, then that will set the stage for a push lower on ES and NQ. So here we go again, 34. What's going on here? Does the captain set up switch trade on the 50 NT Rinko? If I can't get one more candle up here on the 20, I'm jumping in, and I'll have a stop at the Globex. All right, let's see it. My stop is 13. Yeah, 13. Let's see if we can get a punch. What's the big target? The big target is in 60s. Let me see if I can get 60s. I took one off. I need speed and momentum. Here we go. Now we're going. Still looking for that 60. $50 showing up. Captain set up long on ES. We need the burst of energy into 60. I mean, I don't want to chicken out here and go, but I may have to. Too much of a pause here, and it ran nicely, so I'll take it. I'll take that trade. I'll look for a pullback and I'll look for a re-entry. We got 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes or 1 minute now. Yeah, let's just be patient. Let the news come in. That trade was just too clear. It was just too clear on that one. Okay, so 30 seconds. Boom. But you know, you would have had to sit through the news to get that 60, and that would be a bit of a tough thing to go through. So, but anyway, so that's what they're doing right now. Yeah, you would have had to be being a gambler. All right, that candle closed, and the next target is 808. Looking for pullbacks as a buying opportunity. Yeah, the only issue, Panos, with news, I mean, it could literally burst through your stop on news. I mean, it will move 50, 50 points either way in matter of seconds, and you're, you know, you're gonna take an oversized risk. Anyway, the entry is good, the exit is good. Oh, it happened. I'm talking out of experience, brother. I got slipped 40 points. Um, Cost me 4 grand on a news that was not even announced. It was just it was a flash news. So it's not. I'm not talking. I'm talking out of experience of things that happened. It was $4,200 in literally matter of seconds. So that's why I avoid the news. Yeah, like this one, obviously we're in the right direction. So, but if you're short, I mean, most likely you would have got maybe slipped to 10 points, 5 to 10 points. But anyway, so you get the point. All right, so long and strong, that's what they're doing. Long and strong. Yeah, that captain setup switch trade on the 50 in Turinka was solid. bullshit. Yeah. Here we go. Let's see what they want to do here. So the news came and they're slowing down their buying here. A potential pullback can bring you back down to that 50 zone. That's harmony zone number 2, by the way. You're looking at a zone of 58,748. Pullbacks are buyable, but you got to protect that Globex band and harmony zone number 2. $48. What did I get out? 46. 46, which 48. $200 NT Rinko and the 100 NT Rinko are out of sync right now. So we need to see a lot of price action to stabilize the structure here, which means you want to see consolidation, a run back up, a higher low, cloud shifting back positive, and a new harmony wave in order to jump back in, and a price above 795 at a minimum. Otherwise, we're most likely going to start dipping into harmony zone number 2. Now, the question is, do you want to short here? Especially in this type of market, man, I'd rather see a break below 733 and a rally to get short into. In these ranges, the longs can step in. Here we go. Right, harmony zone number 2 getting tested. If we start breaking anything under that 50, that's gonna spell trouble for these guys right here. Good morning, Ken. morning, Radek. So the same behavior they use to go up, it's the same behavior they're using to come down. See how it's shallow pullbacks and run-ups, shallow run-ups and selling. So you really same personality.
for just $67.
All right.
You can make as many videos.
All right, 733 is coming up, and that will close the 200 NT Rinko, and we will start looking for pullbacks, run-ups as a shorting opportunity. Here it comes. Yep. All right. All right. Now we're gonna find ourselves. We're gonna have to find ourselves an entry point on the short side. They're coming to Globex, by the way. They're gonna come and test Globex. Globex is 708. It just they need to give us an opportunity to jump in. There's a harmony wave right now. Maybe if we can get a reversal pattern, yeah, good luck, huh? At this point, it's just a selling pressure. 771. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, we're at the bottom of this channel, the upward channel, and we're breaking it. So let's see if we can get back up, and ultimately the 700 is going to be a big deal because that's where the captain setup switch trade started for the 50 NT Rinko. So the 08 is Globex and 700 is that bottom. Most likely they're going to try to defend it right here. So hoping at least to see a run back up, and we can participate. Yeah, they're still selling it. Target is 708. I mean, we're not too far away. Here it comes. All right, target is hit. We're still looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity. This may be a significant event that will hit us in 681. Then you start breaking that structure from yesterday. And that'll flush people into the 600s and potentially the 550s. Yeah. Yeah, they're not letting out. I'm target number 4, 683. Target number 5, 648. Target number 6 is 596 and a half. Yeah, they're gonna probably play around here a little bit. Let them do that. I want to see a rally. I want to see a rally. Gordy, good morning. Brian, good morning. It's 15. Okay, so I want to see them break 15, run up to the 26s. I mean, preferably running to harmony zone number 1, then reverse. Then rally back up. If they do that, then that sets me up for a continuation trade that I can participate in. Hmm. Okay, boom. My next target got hit. Now the target after that is 658. So basically, I have to get aggressive and just kind of get in, I guess. Target number 4 is hit. Target number 5 is 648.75. Oh, the ECB, European Union. Let's see here. Yeah, this may be a big deal here, Canadian, Europe. Okay. So that could be like a multi-day deal here, guys. This could be a big event. Well, okay. It was yesterday. Thank you, Panos. Gary, check your news. Better next time. All right, captain set up on the 40 NT Rinko. So let's see how uh, how, how big of a 700. Yeah, here we go. Man, I mean, if they break 93, it'll be a captain setup switch trade on the 40 NT Rinko. I may have to jump in on that deal. All right. It's either gonna jump and go, or it's gonna stop me out for a plus. Okay, that's fine. It's still a good captain setup switch trade. We need a little bit better. Let's see if we can get another one here. It's not moving. It's not moving quick enough. I'll just hold on. I'll hold on. Right. Here you go. Good for you. All right. So captain sub switch trade at that 93. Target is 08. I'm gonna leave this alone and look for rallies as a shorting opportunity. I mean, there is just a structure right here that is promoting this buying interest, but it's not strong. Obviously, it's not happening quick enough. Damn. Yep. Yeah, it's not happening quick enough. All right, let's see. Let's see the rally here. Maybe it'll give us an opportunity to go short. Go. 699, 700. Okay. Potential premium switch trade on ES. Yeah, look at that. It's coming, coming. Here it comes. There's going to be a flush here. Very nice, very nice. Okay, we're at the bottom end of the range. We're at the bottom end of the Globex band. And the selling continues. Good, good. All right. Still looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity, and we're targeting what is that? Five, basically 600 and 550. All right, so a potential switch trade right here. Let me see if I can get in. And let's see if I can flush. We should flush right here. Here you go. Thank you, thank you. And let's get out here. We'll try it again. We hit target number 1. I want to see more, but it's extended, and I didn't get the right premium entry. Well, this is a premium entry, but I needed to get in there on the second test, and I was a little bit away. But I'll take that little quick scalp and move on. But it should break down, and if they go back up and test it one more time, I'll get back in. Well, here you go. That's gonna be a flush right here. Target number 2 at 21. Boom. There you go. Oh yeah. Hey, good morning, Steven. I was wondering where you at. Are you okay? Good morning, good morning. Damn, that's a good one. That's a good one. That was a good one, good one. I thought we'd get 21. We're getting a whole lot more. But that was a premium. That was a premium switch trade. I mean, it was just a clear move. All right, they're running back up to harmony zone number 1, and we're looking for these rallies to short into. Good job, Panos. Good job. All right. It's a big deal, my friend. It's a big deal. It's gonna be the big money Panos. That's what's happening right here. It's coming, my friends. Coming. It's coming. Come to Papa. Yes, it's coming. You're gonna have a big Christmas. I'm looking for rallies to short into till proven otherwise. As long as the market trades under 683, Sheila, then I'm looking to get short. ES is weaker than NQ. They put on a captain setup here. That's a good thing to see. Wow, look at that. Yeah, the 600 is a big deal. Then the 550 is next after that. Well, ES, that's what I'm talking about. ES, here you go. I mean, we're at the bottom end of the cloud, so you may get a little bit of a push higher, but as long as we continue to trade under 39.63, then we should be selling off into the next rotation. That next rotation is 39.3875, and then lower prices till we hit close to this captain setup, and one heck of a captain setup long that started that whole rotation. So the market is under pressure, and where we are seeing here is a potential. Here we go. You know, you have two zones. Harmony zone number one is 51.25 to 54 and a quarter. The second one is 57 half, 60 half. Those two zones need to hold for the shorts, and the longs need to prove themselves. I'm out of this. Okay, I'll get out of it. Yeah, we should be selling off here. Yep, damn it. All right, we need to hold on to 40. Let's see if we can get a better rally here. I'm keeping it very tight today, guys. Keeping it very tight. Okay. All right, so this is an important area right now. 647, and the 638. 688, 647. Okay, captain set up on the 70 NT wrinkle, and a captain about we're gonna have a captain set up on the 100 here. Man, they are sucking me in. They are trying to suck me in. Uh, here goes. Captain set up on 70. Captain set up long on the 100. I'm gonna look for pullbacks and scalp on the long against those structures. I'm just gonna be careful with it, but they're taking it to the Globex band here. Yeah, I want to see pullbacks. Can't just jump in here, especially with this type of mode of price action. I mean, if I didn't have those two double captain setups, I wouldn't even think about going long. But same thing on ES, you're getting a little bit of a pause, but this structure in NQ is just such a strong structure here. Three, two, one, two. Yeah, you got two. 40 and 25. Yeah. Wow. 19. You can't have 19 happen here. Wow. It did happen. That's why patience is a good thing, especially in this market. Now, 45. If they get back to 45, I will look for pullbacks as a buying opportunity. You have to hold this 100 NT Rinko captain setup. Let's pull it up a little bit. Yeah. So the expectation here is to get up to 668 if this captain setup hold. And if we get 45, then I'm basically, or yeah, 47. I'm gonna look for pullbacks, and the 20 will be my stop. So that will be the structure of that trade. So that 45 is going to be very important. Yeah, S&K. It's I'm looking for this 45. We may get that 45 here in a second. I would have to get aggressive if I see that 45. I may have to be taking some risk here. 46 and a quarter. I mean, we're getting so close. I'm going to start one contract at a time. Maybe two contracts at a time. $46 half. Man, they're gonna do it, right? There's another captain set up on the 40 NT Rinko. They're just winding this market up here. Yeah, I'm looking at the captain set up on the 100. Yeah, I gotta pay attention here. That's one right here. And I'm adding here, and I'm adding here. And They're gonna do me in. Let's see here. Come on, baby. I flatted 2. Just how weird this thing is. Yeah, we should be okay here. All right, flatted that trade. And I'll look for a pullback again. It was just like really wicky. You know, it's really wicky here. But I like it. I'll get back in here in a minute. Let it pull back and I'll just jump back in. I had a lot of contracts, and I had 4 contracts playing with this thing. Like with this captain setup. Here you go again. Probably should just take 1 contract and play with it. You know, we need a close above 56. Here we go. I'll take that one again. And we'll look for the pullback and we'll do it again. Boom. That's good. Let him do that. I mean, it's a cap. I mean, if I'm gonna lose money, it better be that way, right? I got a captain set up on the 100 NT Rinko. You know, oh man, captain set up on the 100 NT Rinko. I got a captain set up switch trade on the 50 NT 70 NT Rinko. I'm sorry, I'm gonna take some risk. If they stop me, they stop me. Whatever. If anything, I should have really loaded up. Did anybody jump in on that one or play around with it? Okay, good job, Adam. It's just too much confluence. It's too much confluence for us, for me not to participate. I know it's a counter trend, but you know, I get a captain set up, then I get a captain set up switch trade on the 70, then I get a captain set up on the 40 NT Rinko. I'll jump in. They want to take my money, they can take my money. It's all right. But we made a little bit of money. So I don't necessarily want to see 37. If they break 37, it puts a pause on the whole idea. Yeah, see that? Yeah, kind of puts a pause on the whole idea. Now, on the 100 NT Rinko, you cannot see 21. They need to protect the 21. Otherwise, we're gonna start rotating negative again. Boom. Yeah, that changes that game. Now, if the longs really brave, they can take it back up to that 58, and if they do that, there'll be a captain sub switch. Okay, so that's not even in the cards anymore. So we took that long structure for whatever it's worth, and we moved on. All right, it's 10:24. How's everybody doing today? Adam, Brad, Gary, how are we doing? Sheila, James, Jose, Panos, any more trades? Pat, how we doing? Steven, Steven is taking a break, okay. Omer, man, they flushed. Yeah, you kind of had to be nimble with that one. Good job, Jose. Okay. Nice, Gary. Nice. Up 3K on 10 accounts. Good job, Adam. So that's the retest of zone number 1. We're in, see, the only issue right here that I have is where location. We're in the middle of the range at 600, which is the middle of the range on the 200 NT Rinko. So the expectation is to see back and forth, maybe a test of harmony zone number 2. So I'm not going to be just aggressive trying to get short here. I'd like to see more price action before I do that. Maybe a high, a lower high, and a signal that makes sense. GED or green? Good deal, man. Good job, Gary. Good job. Yeah, post that in the room so people can see. And here you go. So you're getting what we expected in a way. As like, where we at location wise, the market has the habit of counter trending, um, you know, more severely, and we just saw that. So now we're testing harmony zone number 2. Did I hear from Pat? Pat. How's Pat doing? All right, so they put on a captain setup short. Okay, good for them. Let's see how well they handle that captain setup. They're gonna run down. I mean, I want them to run down to 03 and bounce right back up and give me an entry against that captain setup. If they do that, then I'll participate on the short side. Otherwise, I'm gonna look for more information out of this market. So, Gary, did you only trade um, options, SPX options, or did you do any futures. So that's good. I mean, here you go. I mean, that's a solid behavior right here. Captain set up short. $603. Captain set up switch trade. I mean, they're piling this stuff on here. All right. So we got to the 03, and I want to see a rally, and let's see if we can jump in here and find an entry point. I mean, that's a beautiful entry point. Captain set up switch trade. I decided not to take it and just look for that break, then a retest. It's just a little bit more careful right now. Damn. $200 NT Rinko, the $100 NT Rinko, the $70 NT Rinko, the $50 NT Rinko, all of them are in the same direction, pointing south. We just need an entry point. Visual trader, yeah. Good job coming back, man. What do we do here? What do we do? In NQ and in ES, I'm looking for rallies to short into against that high of 685 and against that high of 3950. They're not giving me an entry. I'll keep waiting. Damn. I wanted I wanted that short, guys. I want that short, but can't chase it like that. did you did you okay, once you're out of it, Adam, tell me, how did you do? You made 20 points on that one, Adam. Yeah, it was just too clear. It was just too clear. That retest of harmony zone number two, the captain set up, then the switch trade into the six, and then we were looking for a rally so we could get short. It didn't give it to us, and they flushed it. Good job, Brad. Plus 1100. Good job, Adam. Where you at? Well, yeah, that was the right. Well, I mean, that's the aggressive way of doing it, for sure. Which is it paid you nicely. Good job, man. Where I'm up a little bit of money. We all know that, Adam. We all know that. Aggressive or go home. I'm up a little bit of money. Uh, I am up on the 17th, $235.66, buddy. It's green. It's green, and I'm about 200 bucks away from equity high, and that is a 45-degree angle equity curve. I'll take it. So for the week, I'm about 3 grand up for the week. I will take it. I just want to duplicate. Well, I mean, I shouldn't even say that, but I should duplicate the early beginning of the year price action, man. I was like, could not go wrong. I think I had 22 sessions in a row where I just made money, made money, made money every single day, small or big, small or big. And we hit a patch here where I was getting aggressive with size. Some of them worked, some of them didn't. We took some drawdowns in this period, but we recovered from it. And now we're just inching our way to equity high. So keep doing what we're doing. NSK Shockwave. You covered at 90 from 618. Yeah. Gordy, we have a private room, Zoom, of all the people who are Harmony traders, and those are the people I'm talking to right now. I'm talking to you, I'm talking to them, talking to everybody. Good job, Omer, 562. And you could join us right here. Let me just put that in there. Thank you. Here we go. Yeah, I put Gordy. I put that link in there, and you could get a trial in our private room, free trial. That includes the software, and that's the Harmony trading software that I use. And if you're part of Apex, they still have like four days on their 80%. So that's a link to it. There you go. And if you have any questions, let me know. All right, so what we're seeing here is a bit of a shift at 603. So you're seeing that 603 being relative, right? We're going back and forth in and around it. The 100 NT Rinko is about to flip. So that just tells me right there that the market is in a consolidation phase. They just took out the most recent low and went back to the middle of the range. Now, would be a surprise. Well, it wouldn't be a surprise, but I wouldn't put it past them if they break that 635, then bring the market back down. And then they'll spend some time during lunch just tossing people around in that range. So just be conscious of that, kind of going forward for the rest of the day. Yeah, no problem, Gordy. Thank you for spending your day with us, man. Much appreciated. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And happy Friday, everybody. Oh, Adam. That's a beautiful statement right there, buddy. Yes, sir. I'll give you a hint, a clue. That's what I do in Vegas. And I'm not trying to make an analogy between here and Vegas, but it really helps here. In Vegas, I go to the tables. I like to play Texas Hold'em. That's my game, and I will put a timer of 4 hours. But it's not about the timer. At the end of the 4 hours, I have an event to go to. Like I will book a show. I will book something where I have to leave the table even if I don't want to. So this way I'm forced to leave because I'm good playing poker for about 4 hours. Then the wear and tear of being on that table and start to get to you. So same thing with trading. Well, it's not self-sabotage event. You need an event that you really like, that you want to do, and you put it at 11 o'clock. So, for example, if we're trading from 8:30 Central to 11, at 12 o'clock, you have to be somewhere absolutely outside your house. That it's an appointment that you have to go do. Go get a massage, go, to a restaurant, go have an event, go to the beach, book something at 12 o'clock where you're forced to leave, and you will be surprised. Go to the don't listen to Gary. Don't listen to So yeah, when I'm in Vegas, I have to do that. Otherwise, I'll stick around. I'll stick around and I'll keep gambling and gambling and gambling. And all of a sudden, I look at my stack and it's just all gone. And I'm like, okay, I should have left like 3 hours ago or 4 hours ago when I'm up, bunch of money. Same thing with trading. You literally have to have something to do outside of your trading right after your session. It it's a mental trick. I have to trick myself, Adam, because I mean, if you think, I don't want to say that, but I'm a gambler. So if I have to make sure I understand my gambling habits and kind of tweak them to where they work for me versus work against me. Yeah, well, you gotta know yourself. I'm a. You want to call me degenerate? Yeah, I think we're all degenerates here. We have a love for the game, right? We have a love for the trading game. We just have to be we have to be very, very good at it. Yeah. So today, I'm not. I don't think I'm gonna keep the room going till 3 o'clock. I'm not gonna. In the past couple of days, we ran it all the way till the end of the session. It's Friday. We're up money. We're up for the week. Let's go enjoy it. So at the top of the hour, I'm green and I'm gonna be gone. Right, Gary? Be green, be gone. Still Unger? Really? You got that from him? That's funny. All right, guys. So it's 11 o'clock. That's the top of the hour for me right here. We're green. That is it. We are green for the day, and we're calling it a day. All right, guys. We'll see you bright and early tomorrow, Monday. You guys enjoy your weekend. Precision is a decision, right? Always trade in harmony, and we will see you on the next one.